Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Tracy here. Today's video is going to be a little different because I'm announcing a giveaway. The first thing that I'm going to give away is the Charlotte Tilbury Glowing Pretty Skin Palette. The second thing that I'm going to give away are these are together, two single wet or dry Burberry eyeshadows. I already own them, so I'm going to let you see mine, but yours will be brand new. So all you have to do, be subscribed to my channel. If you feel like it, remove the privacy settings so I know you're subscribed to my channel. Comment on which of these two packages you want. Leave a thumbs up. Please make sure you read the rules down below. I don't want anyone to be disappointed. And make sure when you comment to give me some Christmas icons. And that's it. Good luck. I'll be announcing winners in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.